Assalamu alaikum. I am back. Now I will discuss about this customize option. How to work with this option. Okay. In the left sidebar, you can see this option, or you can tell this as option. Okay, dashboard option. I think you should know all this option to work with very well. By the way, you can ask me how I am working with jump server. I mean my computer local host local server, because uh, I have told this before that in our country, those people who want to be a freelancer or a designer, but he cannot afford to get in touch with IT sector. If I want to create a website like this in live server, I can easily create this, but many people cannot afford to buy this. Thinking about those people, I am creating this tutorial in my local server, because they will get inspiration from my tutorial, that they can work with local server. Okay, in locally without paying anyone, without any cost. He can work with local server. He can make him as expert in freelancer as a web designer. Okay, so don't worry, I think it's okay. Okay, I will work with live server later, but I am showing all this option in local server first, because I am thinking about those people who are very needy. Okay, okay, let's see how to work with this customize option. You can see appearance. If we hover appearance, you can see this option: themes, customize, widgets, menus, header, PowerPress Pro, editor. PowerPress Pro means it is a theme. Activate theme. Active theme is PowerPress Lite. You can update this theme because it has a pro version. You have to pay themselves the authority of the theme to get the PowerPress Pro version. Okay, well, let's see how to customize this. It is our main it is our main work, how to customize this. Okay, it is appealing us. Okay, let's see. First click customize. Okay, you can see many option in left sidebar. I'm calling it left sidebar because it is in left position. Okay, you can see this is the image. Okay, this is the page name. Okay, page option. Many I am working with many client in several marketplaces. The many you can, while you will work with marketplaces, many client will tell this nav অথবা I mean tabs. Okay, ঠিক আছে, sports, entertainment, blog, home, all these are tabs. They will tell I want to create a new tab. Okay, you cannot you maybe cannot get it, but you think you should think that they want to create a new page. Okay, let's see. Then you can see I have created this four pages, four posts, 1 2 3 4 5. Hello world, it's the default post of WordPress. Okay, I have created this in backend to uh, make this tutorial less. Okay, and you can see here few option. Search bar, you can search anything related to this website here. Okay, then you can see this recent posts. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 posts. All recent posts will be shown here. Okay, recent post, it is a widget. What is widget I will discuss in this tutorial, or may be the later tutorial. Okay, the recent post, you can see the first latest post, I mean the post which I have posted latest, this I have posted latest, so this is showing at first. Okay, Then you can see recent comments. You can see a WordPress commentator on hello world. It's a default comment if you install WordPress. Okay, this is a default comment. All recent comments will be shown here in this option. Okay, archives, January 2019. I will discuss this option. Categories, what type of categories post you are using in your website, all will be shown here. Okay, meta site admin logout, RSS. I will discuss this later. Okay, let's see. You can see after clicking customize, a few option here appear. You can see general, front page options, colors, header image, menus, footer, widgets. You can tell it as a widget, but I think it is widget is right. Okay, homepage setting and additional CSS. I will discuss this thing one by one. Okay, don't worry. Then first you can see active theme. Okay, power page slide, it is our active theme. I have been activated this theme. Okay, you can change this theme here, but if you want to change the theme, you can go directly here and go to appearance themes. You can change anything from here. Okay, no need to change anything from here. Okay, then general, if you click general, I am showing this again. Okay, general, click general, you can see few option. Okay, header and logo. You can see there is no logo here. What is the logo? I am showing you this logo. What is the meaning of logo? Let's go to লেখাপড়া bd, sorry, .com. If you visit this link, you can see a logo here left. লেখাপড়া bd.com. It's a logo. Okay, if you want to logo, here you can see in our website, there is no logo here. Okay, there is no logo here, only a image which is a background image. Okay, you can see there is no image here. What you can do now, let's see. Header and logo, click header and logo. You can see there is a logo. No logo selected, I mean there is no logo here. Okay, if you want to add a logo here, just click select logo. Okay, here there is no logo here. Okay, then you can select a logo from your local computer. Okay, if you want to select a logo from a local computer, strictly click upload files, then drop files and here to upload or select files, simply click select files. Okay, go to if you want to make a logo here, of course you have to make the logo length in short. Okay, and I have created this logo blog text. Simply click this and open. You have you see that this logo has been uploaded. Okay, then click select. Okay, if you want to this is a big logo, you can use this big logo, but I do not think this big logo you should use, so you can make it shorter. If you think this is good, okay, simply then crop image. Okay, click crop image. You can see after cropping this image, this logo is here. Okay, this logo is here. This is looking good, really good. If you want to remove this logo, simply click remove. You can see your logo has been removed. Okay, is not here now. Okay, if you want to select the logo again, click select logo. You can see this is the logo here. I have this I have uploaded before. Okay, so just select it, select. You can see this is what I want to select only this image. Let's see. Okay, just crop image. Okay, you can see this images has been uploaded. This is not looking so good because the image is now not transparent. Transparent means it has a white background. Transparent means if the image is on transparent, there the image will have no white background. Okay, so I think you should always image in transparent. Which image is transparent, you should use this image. Okay, let's see. I simply leave this. Okay, then you can see okay, you can if you want to make this logo here, if you want to put this logo here, simply publish it and go to your website. Okay, after publishing, just refresh your website, you can see this logo here. Okay, then go to site logo. Site logo means, you can see here is no site logo here. Okay, site logo, what is site logo? I am showing here. You can see site title, okay, and tagline, just another WordPress site. Okay, site title and just a tagline, where these are come from. You have to ask yourself where these two come from, our blog and just another WordPress site. Okay, if you go to our dashboard, you can see go to setting. You can setting, go to setting, then go to general. You can see site title, our blog, and tagline, just another WordPress site. These two, okay, you can see our blog and just another WordPress site. This are two who is are come from our blog and just another WordPress site. Okay, if you change this from here, I mean, okay, I'm writing something extra. Okay, web tech, okay, analysis, my channel name. And if you want to change the tagline, okay, just okay, I am writing informative blogging. Okay, if you site title I have changed and tagline I have already changed. Okay, then go at the bottom, save changes. Okay, already I have changed. Okay, then go to this. Okay, refresh this page again. What happened, let's see. General option, hidden logo, you can see the site title and tagline have been changed. Okay, I think you have got this. Here you can see these two things are not showing here or here. Here you can see these two things are not showing here and here. Okay, our main interface website. Okay, if you want to show these two things, simply you can see display site title and tagline. If you click this just once, you can see a preview here, web tech analysis and informative blogging. Okay, if you uncheck this, you can see there is nothing here. Okay, so if you want to see this two thing, you can simply check this and publish it. Okay, let's see and refresh it, our main page interface. Okay, you can see this two tagline and site title here. Okay, the bigger is site title and another is tagline. Okay, let's see header fix. If you want to fix your header, if you want to fix your header, you can see this is if you visit go bottom, if you go to bottom, this header is going to upper. If you go to bottom, if I go to bottom, you can see this header is go to upper. But if you click checked header fix, then what you can see, if you check header fix, you can see the logo, the site title and the tagline and the menu option, I mean menu nav option, page or page name, all are on fixed position. Okay, if I uncheck this, you can see you can go bottom easily. There is no fixing menu, etc. But if you checked this, you can see there is, okay, logo, tagline, site title, menu option, etc. Okay, you can fix this by checked this. Okay, just published it. Okay, refresh our new page, you can see, and then go to bottom, you can see this out, this fixed position. What is the use of this? You can ask why I can do this. You can ask me why I can do this. I can do this because the client or the visitor of the world who will visit your website or blog website, he can go to bottom, he can go to bottom. Then if it is very hard, they feeling, they feeling not good, the feeling not good, so easy to go to off and again press this button. Okay, again press this button or again go to another pages. They feeling, they can feel bored, they to go to top and press the other button. Okay, if you fix this, you can go to bottom and people can, anyone click this button and to visit another pages. Or if you want to go the home page again or top page again, simply you can click it. Okay, simply you can click the logo or the tagline, or the site title. If you click this again, your website will be uploaded again. Sorry, your website will be refreshed again, your website will be loaded again. Okay, here you can see, if I click this site title, website will be refreshed again. Okay, if you, if I go to bottom, then if I click this tagline, website will be refreshed again. Okay, if I click go to bottom, then if I click this logo, website will be refreshed again and go to top. Okay, without any work. Okay, this is the feature of the header fix option. Okay, if you can use it or you can leave it as you wish. Okay, here you can see, use if you want to increase or decrease the logo size, optional, don't enter pixel in the string, e.g. I mean example 20, default those pixel. Okay, here you can see the logo. Okay, if you want to increase this logo, then you can see, you can simply increase here. I mean it is now 15, you can increase here by clicking top. Okay, I make it 62. You can make it uh, increase this logo by clicking 62, or clicking top or clicking bottom, decrease it. Okay, as you wish. Okay, site icon should be okay. Site icon are what you are browser tabs, bookmarks. Okay, site icon, what is the meaning of site icon? I am showing you. Okay, select image. Here you can, they ask you to select image. Simply select image. Okay, I am okay. Okay, if you refresh this page. Okay, I will discuss this. Okay, okay, remove this. It is the original position, default position. Here you can see site icon are what you see in browser tabs. Okay, bookmarks, bars, and within the WordPress mobile apps upload on here. Site icons should be square and at least 512 and 512 pixel. Okay, and they are talking about our favicon. Favicon, what is called favicon? You can see, this is the website domain name, and if you want to write this uh, domain name into Google, you can see this option. Okay, here you can see Lekhapora BD, and here you can see image here at the left position. at the upper left position. Okay, you can see image, a single image here. If you want to add a single image here, okay, if you want to add a single here, I can see it is our default favicon. I mean, it is the symptom of jam server, because we are using localhost and jam server. For this they are showing the jump. If you want to make this favicon like this, okay, simply you can do it. Just select image, and if you mark this, select, you can use anything here, anything here, anything here. Okay, you cannot make this bigger, because they have told you, going to back, they have told you site icons should be square, and this icon should be in square and at least 512 and 512 pixel. It should be 512 in 512 pixel in wide and 512 pixel in height. Okay, and not more than this pixel. Okay, then simply click it for this. Okay, I think this is okay. Just crop it and published it. You can then refresh this page again. You can see this fab icon has been changed instead of our jump server. Okay, this is looking good. You can change anything, any fab icon from here. Okay, let's go to, I think this is okay. From header and logo, all are fine now. Then go to blog options. Here you can see this is our blog page. Okay, all the posts are shown here. Okay, all the blog are posts are shown here. If you want to, here you can see right side, select blog page layout. Okay, only applied to the main blog page and not individual posts. I mean, and they are telling you that select blog page layout. It is a blog page. It's absolutely true that it is a blog page, because all blogs are, I am showing here. Okay, if you can, here you can see that only applied to the main blog. I mean, it is our main blog page. Okay, if you want to display it single blog page, I mean, not individual posts. What is the meaning of individual post? Individual post is that if you click single post, I means all these posts are showing here, but if you click a single post, as like as I am clicking the single post, first latest post, you can see a right sidebar here. It is called right side, but search option, recent post, recent comments, archives, categories, meta, all this are here. Okay, it is in single post. I am in single post now. Then go to the bag. Okay, if you want to select blog post layout, I means they're asking you what the layout of my post blog page will be. Okay, what the layout I want the blog page layout. Okay, you can see not individual post, right sidebar. Here you can see this sidebar is in right position. For this right sidebar here, it is a default position. Okay, for this our right sidebar here, if you want to make this right sidebar left, you can make the sidebar left. I am showing you this. Then click left sidebar. If you publish it, you can go to main page. Here you can see the left sidebar, all options are in left position. This is really awesome. It's a really good theme. I think it is a really good theme. It is few options. I have seen it is a few options which are really good, and it's like as a premium theme. Okay, it's a basic theme really, but it's many option I have seen. It's a really it's like as a premium theme. Okay, let's see. you can left sidebar, you can make it left sidebar, right sidebar, or if you want to put this sidebar not, I mean want to hide this sidebar here, you can easily you can easily here block archives meta tag description, blog post meta tag section, hide or show. You can completely hide this section. I am showing this. This is showing position, it is default position. If you hide it and published it, sorry, I was wrong. Here you can see left sidebar, right sidebar, and full width. Okay, this is now in left sidebar. For this we're seeing that this left sidebar is selected. But if you want to make this blog post full width, I mean no sidebar, okay, then you can simply click select full sidebar. If you select full sidebar, you can see there is no sidebar here. Okay, if you select full sidebar, there is no sidebar here. Okay, just published it. If you refresh this page, you can see the blog post, there is no sidebar here. Left not in left or not in right, there is no sidebar here. But if you click a single post, you will see this left sidebar here. Okay, there is no option, really there is no option to delete this option or hide this right sidebar in single post, because uh, if it is very necessary to make this sidebar in left or right. Okay, then go to, sorry, here you can see this some option. You can see blog excerpt option show. Here you can see blog excerpt option. It is set 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 few words. You can see blog excerpt option. So if you blog archive excerpt option means the text is in short position. I mean after cutting it many description, if you click it, you can see many words here. Okay, many text here. But in our main page, in our blog page, sorry, in our blog page, you can see only few text here. It is said, after it said, on Monday, these are not, okay, after said on Monday, these are not in, here, because of, because of sorry, I have something wrong. I have to go this again. Go to general blog. Okay, only few words are here. If you want to show all text here, on all texts, you can simply here you can see simply excerpt option blog. You can simply show here. Okay, show here, sure height. You can see this few texts are here which are now disappeared. Only you can show, you can see this if you visit this single blog post. Okay, I don't think I don't think I should do this, because the previous was better. Okay, simply show it. Here you can see, blog archives excerpt strings limit option. I mean that means here you can see 20. Control how much content you want to show from each post in the main blog page. You can see there is now 20. Okay, if you count this all 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. All this are in count 20 watts. Okay, all this are count 20 watts. That means if you select here, you can see 20. For this there is there are showing 20 watts. If you select more, suppose if I am selecting 30, writing 30, if I adding 30 here, you can see more watts here. It said on Monday tracking, I means it is now in 30. Here you can see now 30 watts. Okay, let's see. All the post text are now in 30. Okay, you can change as you wish. Okay, I'm making it 20 again. Okay, read more option. Here you can see read more. Okay, if you click read more, I am going to main website. Okay, if you click more or image, if you click or in the image or in the text or read more option, you can go to this page. Okay, if you click in this image or in this text, in this title, or in the read more option, read more button, you can visit this single post. Simply I am clicking this. You can see I am now in the single post pages. Okay, I am in the single post pages, and the single post page title, single page title is now on the above. Okay, this is the single page name. You can see this is the single page name and page single post name. Okay, and you can see this here last year. Okay, this is it is a theme feature. Okay, if you want to remove this, I mean hide this button from main website, you can see there is read more button. If you want to hide this button from here, simply you can hide this. Click hide. You can see the review preview. Sorry, it is not okay. Right sidebar show. This is I'm showing this. Okay, wrong. Blog read more option. This is read more button. If you want to hide this button from here, simply if you want to hide more button from your blog post blog page, simply you can hide this. You can I am showing this preview, not main website. You can see this not read more button is now not visible. It is disappeared now. Okay, but it is not looking so good because anyone can visit your website, and if you want to click more ahead, many person do not know how to, that if he click this image, a new tab will be opened and he can read the this blog post. But every people know if he click this read more button, he can read the this full post in a new tab. Okay, everybody know, but many body can maybe know, may not know that if he click the image, he can open a new tab. Okay, so I think this is looking good. This is professional work. Okay, in single post you can see single post. If I go to main website, if I click here, Trump will never back down in shutdown fight. Okay, if I click here, I am now in single post of Donald Trump. Okay, here you can see the right sidebar in right. Okay, in single post you can see the right sidebar in right, but you can make it in left sidebar. Okay, you can see make it as a left sidebar, then simply publish it. And if you uh, go here, okay, you can see make it in left sidebar. Okay, if you want to make it sidebar full width, you can see, there is no side by here, but I think it is not looking good, because every single post in the whole website, whole world, I can see there is a sidebar left or right here, but in professional, right sidebar is really good. Many people like this, all the people like this, so I am making this right sidebar again. Okay, a single post meta tag section hide or show, I mean, you can see here, I'm refreshing this page again. Here single post, here you can meta tag, there is not this, I have created post, but many things I have not put for this. There is few option is now disappeared. Okay, I will discuss this later. Okay, let's go to customize again. You can see the general option. I have discussed blog, header, logo, and page option. You can see right sidebar page option. Select single page layout only applied to individual page. You can see there is 4 pages here. If I go to our blog page, here you can see there is 4 pages here. If I click entertainment page, you can see there is nothing. Its default header. Okay, its default header, its default sidebar. Here you can see a sidebar. It's mean we are in a page now, not a post. Okay, if you click any tab, that means it is all are this page. Okay, if I click any tabs, we are in a page whose page name is sports. You can see a border in the below here. Okay, yes, that's mean we are in this page now. Or you can see here localhost slash blog slash sports, that means we are in this sports page now. Okay, you can see right side by here, this is default select. If you can make this page option in left sidebar. Okay, I'm showing this. You can see this sidebar was in left, now it is in left. It was right here, but it is in left now. Okay, if you want to make if you want to, there is no sidebar here, you can simply make it full width. Okay, there is no sidebar here, only this is header option, this is footer option. Okay, there is no left or right sidebar here. Okay, you can I think this is good, right sidebar is better. But if you want to make the sidebar hide or nothing, or full width, or left or right, you can control this from your page option. How to work with page option I will discuss. Okay, it is a default. Let's go. There is nothing to discuss here. I will discuss this page option when I will create new page with page builder. Okay, preloader. You can see if I refresh this page. Okay, I'm going to the uh, front page. You can see if I refresh this page, you can see a, you can see again a loader. You can see this is rounding, this is rounding. I'm showing this again. This is rounding a round option. Okay, you can see this is a round option is loading. After loading this front interface is coming. Okay, how to change this loader? Simply go here. You can see this preloader is now in on position. If you make this off position and published, you can see, refresh this page again. There is no loader here. You can see again. there is no loader here. If you want to add loader, you can simply, you have to mark this radio button, published it, refresh it, you can see the loader now. If you want to change the loader, simply select image. Okay, I am selecting this because this will take time to add a new loader. Okay, just publish it, you can see the loader has been changed. Okay, you can see this image. Okay, I am showing this again, you can see the new image. Okay, here you can see this is so fast, or you cannot see well, but if you try it, you can get it better from your computer. Okay, this is there is nothing in general option. And then front page option. Front page, what is this? Slide where service section, about us section, team section, portfolio section, testimonial section, latest blog section. Okay, this option you can control the front page option. I mean, if you go to dashboard, go to all pages, if you want to work with entertainment page, you can see there is page name. This is now in published position. You can make it private position, private. You can see visibility public, you can make it password protected or private as your wish. Okay, there you can see there is three option: visual, text and page builder. Okay, you can see we have a new plugin here. What is the plugin name? A new tab, I am opening a new tab. You can see here is a plugin name, page builder by site origin. Okay, it's a page builder of site origin, and they have made a page builder. Okay, what is page builder? And this is a new option. Okay, what is new option? I am discussing this. Okay, here you can see, after activate this page builder, after activating this page builder, you can see here is a new option, visual text and page builder. Visual text and page builder. Default, in default we can see this two option only, visual and text. I am giving you the proof. Let's see. Let's here you can see this page builder. Okay, simply you can deactivate this. If you deactivate this, you can refresh this page again, you can see this page builder will be not no here. Okay, simply refresh this, you can see there is two option now, visual and text. The page builder option is no more here. Okay, uh, it is a theme feature, it is a new theme feature that a page builder has been added by them. Okay, you can create a very good looking interface design by this page builder. Okay, for this they have added this. Okay, I will go to plugin again and simply activate this. Okay, refresh this page again, our entertainment page. Here you can see the page builder again. Okay, simply you can go visual text. Okay, if you want to make a static design, nothing gorgeous design, nothing awesome design, simply you can write something here like I am going to, okay, okay, I'm going to Facebook, text here, that's not good. Okay, I'm going to dummy content, sorry, lipsum.com. It's a dummy content website, and the whole world are using this. Okay, you can use, you can see many websites have been many author created their website with this dummy content, because they do not want to create a new content. For this they are using dummy content. It is very easy to use for any freelancer. Okay, if you want to if you add this in this field, I mean in visual field or text field, you can see, if you paste this in visual field, you can see there is lorem ipsum is in bold. You can make it normal. I will discuss. Okay, you can see visual, this is strong. It's a sorry, it's a HTML tag strong. If you add this strong and the content below in the strong will be in bold. Okay, if you add this, look, you can see this button. If you want to make this button in normal position, simply you can, what you can do, simply you can add this. Okay, see, you can mark it, and if you after mark it, if you click this bold or B option, I mean bold, control B, you can shift you can press from your keyboard control plus B, or you can press this B. If you click it, your this content will be in normal position, I mean in paragraph position. Okay, you can go to text, you can see there is nothing lorem option. There is this strong HTML is now not in here. Okay, if you want to add anything this bold, I mean see, you can see this the 1500s. Okay, if you want to bold this, simply you click mark it by your cursor, and if you click B, you can see this is now in bold. Okay, if you click and go to text, you can see strong, strong, and 15,000 it is in the inner position of strong. If you published it, we do not need this. Okay, visit on your set, you can see if you go to our entertainment page, you can see there is a lorem ipsum is 15,000. It is now in bold, but it is not looking good, it is very bad. Okay, very bad. For this the authority of the theme, the author of the theme has added a new plugin which is called site page builder by site origin. Okay, it is working good, it is looking good. For this I will use this page builder, how to use this page builder. But basically I want to discuss something. If you want to add this feature with this, you can go to visual. Okay, if you want to make this first line, I mean the lorem option, you can see lorem option if ipsum is simply dummy text. If you want to make this text bold, I am showing you how to do this. If you want to make this and make this marked text, will to S1. If you want to mark this text, you can see I have marked this text. If you want to make this text in S1 tag or S2 tag, S3 tag, S4 tag, you can simply go to paragraph. You can see paragraph option, you can click it. You can see heading 2, heading 3, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6, or part formatted. Okay, if anyone you can select it. If you can if you select heading 3, you can see this text will be in block. All this are in H2, H3. You can see the control Z. If I press control Z on keyboard, will be in all will be in default position. Okay, if I mark it again, what I can see, this is working all the text. I don't know what is no. Okay, okay, simply down it, make it down. If I make it, okay, you can see you have to mark the text in a line. Okay, not mixed with another line, you have to make this another line, okay, single line. Then you have to mark this h1 tag or h2 tag or h3 tag or any one tag you can add, okay. h3 tag, I'm giving this h3 tag, anyone can you add it from here, okay. If you want to make this some text, I'm showing you. If I think you want to make this text to italic form, here you can see italic, control I. If you press control I from your keyboard, this text will be in italic. I'm simply click it, you can see this text in italic form, okay. You can see the is tag em. This is means italic form. You can em, you can replace it by I, okay. If you update it, you can see, this is in uh, this is in h3 tag, this is in h3 tag, this is bold tag, and you can see this is printing, this is I tag, okay. This is italic form, okay. If you want to add a image here, if you want image here, if you want to add image here at last or first or anyone, you can add the image here. Simply you can put your cursor here, click here. If you add the image here, simply click here and add media, click add media. If you add this image to your page, simply click it, insert the into page. You can see this image is now in your page, okay. If you update it and refresh this page again, you can see this image is now in here, okay. You can see this is really good, how to work with, okay. And if you want to add a disk, I mean type, there you can see you will OLLI. You want to make a list, let's see how to make a list, okay. Let's do visual builder, okay. You can see, if you want to make this image and in you can make this image left, right, or middle, center. You can see, if you click this image, you can see there is align left, align right, align center, anyone you can click. If you click center, you can see this image, in center position. And then update, and after update, you can see this image in right position, you can see, okay. But if you want to make this text, if you want to make this text in middle position or center position, simply what you can do, simply mark this text, and simply here you can see align left. If you hover this, a text will be from in the below, align left, align center, in the below, align right, okay. If I click center, you can see this text is now in center. Simply if you update it, and refresh this page, you can see this text is now in align h3 tag, and this image in center. All to this are center in now, okay. You can see anything from here. If you want to make a list, how to make a list, I am showing this. Now there is two type of list: bullet list and number list. You can see bullet list and number list. If you add a bullet list here, you can see I am making this, okay. Okay, simply if you want to make a bullet list, here you can see a text in white letter, bulleted list, okay. If you hover this, you can what you can do, just mark this, okay, with your cursor. Simply click it. If you click this, you can see a bullet list is are in left, okay. If you update this, you can see a bulleted list in the left, okay. And this is really looking good, looking awesome, okay. If you go, if you want to do not want this bulleted list, if you want to add 1 2 3 4 5 6 as numerically, if you what you will do, simply if you click this, make this text as normal first. Here you can see bulleted list. If you click this text will be in normal position. If these are marked, you can see. If you click in marked numbered list, okay, you simply click it, you can see there 1 2 3. If update it and refresh it, you can see 1 2 3. Okay, and that's really good. Okay, and then if you want to add a block code here, imagine you want to add a block code here, what I can do, okay, this text I'm copying from here and paste in below. Okay, below and pasting is below. If you want to add this, make this capital letter. If you want to make this as a block code, what you can do, just simply mark this, and if you click this here, you can block code. If you click this, you can see this image, this text are in now in blocked. Okay, if you update this, you can see what is now occurring. You can see this is now in block code. Okay, you can see there is a left border, big border, I mean 2 3 or 4 pixel. You cannot see, maybe it is now maybe near to white color. For this you cannot see this, but if you want to click a block code in your computer, you can see this easily. Okay, this is a block code, you can see. Okay, okay, let's see. Okay, if you want to add a, if you want to add a link here, if you want to add a link here, here you can see, I want to add a link here. Imagine I'm giving this below. If this text want to add a link, simply click here, simply mark it, and if you click this insert or edit link, okay, if you click this, you can see here, you can see add a link here. Okay, if you want to add your Facebook URL, you can add here Twitter URL, you can add here your website URL, you can add here anything, you can add here, you can add or edit here. Okay, simply go to facebook.com, you can see facebook.com. I am putting my Facebook URL, my profile URL. Sorry, it's slow. Okay, if I put this, you can see I'm putting my URL here. You can see after putting, just apply. You can see if I hover this, a white text color and black background is shown here. You can see, just click it, all done. Okay, just update it. You can see, you can see here, this, if you hover this text, you can see a text, a link here in the left bottom. Here you can see in the left bottom, you can see put your eye in here, put your eye over here, you can see this cursor, below the cursor you can see, if I hover this text, you can see https colon double slash www.facebook.com/markwipecoder. It's my Facebook profile link. Okay, if you hover this, you can see this. Anyone can visit my profile if he click this. Okay, or anyone can visit my profile if he can, if he click this. Okay, you can add your Facebook profile, Twitter profile in this way. I think you are so enjoying how to add your Facebook, Twitter, all things in your website. Okay, insert or edit your thing, insert more tags. Here you can add anything from here, simply Ctrl Z. You can see toolbar toggle and many things here. You can see if you want to add, if you want to add anything like horizon line. Okay, you can see a horizon line. This is line is horizontal line. If you click this here, you can see if I hover this here, a text is below horizontal line. If I click this, it is it will create. Okay, simply I do not need this. You can add a horizontal line here and there as your wish. Okay, Control Z, and I do not need this. If you want to change the text of a or color, change the color. It is now in black color. The text color all are in black. If I want to change the color, simply click mark this. If I hover A, you can see text color below A. Okay, you can simply change the color. You can see there are many color scheme here. Anyone can you select. Okay, let's see. Mark this as green. Okay, green. If I mark this green, you can see this text is now in green position. Okay, if I update this, you can see this is now in green color. It looks so awesome. Okay, let's see. This are this something we have, but we nothing need this. I think if I want to increase indent or decrease indent, you can easily do this. I am showing this anything. Okay, this is a text. Okay, if you want to in make this in right position. Okay, some space, some space some space will be created here. If I mark this, if I click here, increase indent. Okay, you can see there is a space there is a space here. Okay, if I increase again, here you can see this text is going to right, and left space, they are creating this text are creating a space in the left, and the text are going to right. If I click here, you can see, you can see. Okay, you can simply take put this and update this. Okay, or you can decrease this indent. You can see if I click it, and then you can put. Okay, I think I do not know this. Do not need this. For this I'm doing this. Okay, simply update. Okay, nothing happened because I do not nothing. You can see this all are. Okay, this is visual builder, visual page builder. Okay, it is not working so good, but if you want to add extra feature, extra field, and looking good, looking good eye-catching website, eye-catching page, of course you use page builder. Okay, every theme, every theme has have of course have has visual and text page builder. But if you use premium theme like Avada, B theme, Enfold, the Seven newspaper, so if I have many theme here and there, you can see. You can what is premium theme. If you want to know, simply you can go to themeforest.net. You can see there is thousands and thousands theme here. All this are premium theme. Okay, how you want to, you will get this. Click WordPress and go popular items. You can see. Okay, there you can see Avada. It is number one WordPress theme in the world now. Then B theme, and then the 7 theme, N4 theme, Flatsum theme, Jupiter X, this theme, X theme, newspaper theme, all are good, very good theme. All are really awesome thing. It's multi-purpose theme. All are multi-purpose theme. Okay, you can see this theme price is now $60. Okay, it's really expensive, really expensive. All this theme are so highly cost. So I think it is very good or very better for you if you use feed him to learn at first. Okay, then go I do not need this page builder. I do not want this page. I do not want this feature. For this, what I can do, simply you can go to text, okay, or visual. Simply go to text. If you go to text, simply what you can do, put your cursor here and simply press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard, and then press D. If you press D, all will be deleted. Simply what you can do, update, and go to entertainment page. You can see nothing here, okay, because I have deleted all. What you can do, simply you can go to page builder, okay. There you can see many things: add widgets, row, pre-built layout, okay. To get started, read our documentation if you need help. They are asking you if you need any help or cannot understand anything very well. If you can go to their documentation, okay. You can go to their documentation, you can visit it and learn many things how to work with this theme, okay. What you can do, you can add widgets or row or pre-built layout, okay. Pre-built layout, you can what is pre-built layout? If you want to learn, you can simply theme first again. I am showing you this again. Theme forest, you can see it is about a theme, okay. You can see there is avatar. You can see live, click live preview, n4, sorry, we are in n4 now. You can see n4 demo, n4 default demo. You can see thousands of default and n4 demo here. You can see, okay, many demo here, okay. Classic demo here. All this are demo and preview, okay. All this are demo and preview. You can see any one of them. If you visit live preview here, if you click anything, if you want to see this, just click it, okay. You can see the theme preview of this theme. There are many preview. You can see this is anyone theme preview, okay. This is M4 theme. This theme is really good, really good to work with, okay. This is this theme has many preview, okay. As like this, you can see that is a pre-built theme. That's mean this plugin has a pre-built layout, okay. Or you can add a widget row or pre-built layout. I will discuss about widget row and pre-built layout. Widget, what is called widget, I will discuss it. What is called row, I will discuss it. First I am showing you how to work with pre-built layout, okay. Just click pre-built layout. You can see there are many feature here, layout here. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and next many feature here. You can add any feature here, okay. What you want to add, you can add, okay. And there are many. It is good, it is good. This baby, it's good. As we are working with OF, so we can select OF. Let's see, there is nothing related to OF, okay. Let's see, and just I click this, okay. If you want to see the preview, you can simply click it. You can see, you can they are forced you to open a new tab. You can see, and there is a bicycle, about us, our services, what we will provide, okay. Everything, our work, the few images, our team. You can see our clients contract us from, okay, and and a Google map. You can see if you want to import this, okay, simply what you can do, simply click it. Okay, after clicking it, you can see insert it. You can see after insert click, you can see insert after, insert before, replace current. I mean, if you have anything here, if you have anything here without right sidebar, without the header, if you have anything here, if you have, this will be replaced with this layout. Okay, this all content will be replaced. I mean, you will lost all, you will lose all content, and new, this new pre-built layout will be installed here. Okay, and insert after, that means if you have anything here, and then if you click it, this layout will be installed after your all content. Okay, if you insert before, that means if you have any contents in this page, the layout will be installed before your main content. Okay, simply what I can do, because I have nothing here, so what I can do is just replace current, or you can add anything. Replacing current dilam, replace current. Are you sure? Yeah, they asked you, are you sure? Simply click the tick. Okay, click the tick and wait few seconds. You can see all things of this layout has been imported. Okay, you can see we have nothing here. We do not have all this are new. Okay, simply update it. You can see, and you can visit your entertainment page. You can see new things here. All these things as like as preview is now in this option. Okay, you can see all this are new. Okay, you can see all this are new. Not looking good, not looking good. It is not this is not messing with this header. I will change this, don't worry. Okay, simply you can create your website by clicking one click, as like this, in free theme or premium theme. In premium theme, it is very easy to create a website, because if you import your full website by one click, you can create your full website. Okay, let's see. You can see site origin hero. It's a slider. You can see it's a slider, or it's a slider. Okay, it's a single image slider. Sliding means this will float left and right, but it is not floating because it is a single slider, only one image. If you do not want this, what you can do, if you do not want this, or do not need this section, simply what you can do, here you can see, about us, our service. Okay, our services. That's mean this is the this section is come from here. Here you can see main slider, our service. Okay, below our service you can see our service. That's mean this option we need to be deleted. Okay, simply what you can do, simply here you can see, if you place your cursor here, you can see here, simply right click, you can see delete row. If you just click it, and are you sure mark it, you can see this main slider has been deleted. Okay, just update it. You can see the main slider is not more now. Okay, this is now looking good. Okay, this is now looking good, really good. This is now looking good. Okay, you can see our services, this image, this text, you can all this sense here. From here you can see what you can do here. You can see our services. Okay, what you will do if you want to change anything from here, simply you should go to you here our services, then view content, then a border, I think, then icon, then the text h1 h2 h3 h4 text, or then some text, I mean pure or formatted text. Okay, you can see, you can simply change this anyone from here. Okay, how to do it? Okay, let's see. You can see our services. What you will do, simply you can see here, if you hover this icon, setting icon, you can see edit row, duplicate row, delete row. Okay, if you want to delete this row, I mean this thing, if you want to delete from here, you can simply click here, delete row. If you want to duplicate this row, I mean this thing, not site origin features, this thing, okay, only site origin headline, this thing, if you want to simply duplicate this thing, what you can do, I am showing you, showing. Okay, if you hover this, you can see duplicate row. If you click this, you can see our services full option has been duplicated. Okay, I do not need this. Control Z. Okay, this not working. What I'll do, simply delete row. I'm deleting one row because I do not need which I duplicated. Okay, what we do, if you want to change anything from here, what you will do, simply click here, hover it, and you can see edit row. Okay, if you click this, you can see there is edit row. If you can see here, you can see there is nothing here. You can see set row layout 1 column with a ratio, okay, going from left to right. Okay, you can see, simply go to here, design option, here you can see, so layout. Okay, you can see here you get text our services. Okay, you can see our service. If you want to change the text here, our services, simply what you can do, go to our I am adding latest services. If I done this and update this, you can see, sorry, I have refreshed this page so much fast because it is loading. It's not. Okay, refresh this. Let's see what happened. Our service is not working. Okay, let's see what's the fault. Our latest service. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's discuss this, what's the problem. Okay, let's see, edit it. You can see maybe it's changed from here. Okay, quite a bit. I am making I will making I am making another tutorial because it is takes so many times. Okay, thank you.